How to install Alipay application. So if you want to install Alipay application on your mobile device, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you can open up your Play Store or your App Store. And here on the upper side you will have the search bar. Tap on the search bar and then search for Alipay. Once you've searched, here you will have this application. So if you want to download and install this application, simply tap on install and install the application. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And once it's downloaded, tap on open, which will be on the right side, and it will take you to the application. Simply tap on agree, and then you can create your account or you can log into your account. So that's how you can install and download Alipay application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.